Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome, everyone, and welcome, Nexo. This is a grammar class, and today we study do and does auxiliary.
I am ready to learn.
First, I will show the lesson structure. Theory, we learn the rule step by step. Examples, we see clear sentences. Quiz, you choose the correct option. Nexo, are you ready to begin?
Yes, I am ready.
Now we start with the theory. We will go slowly.
Great. Short steps help me learn.
What do and does do? Do and does are auxiliary verbs. They help us make questions and negative sentences in the present simple. Example: do you like pizza? Example: she does not like tea. Do and does do not give the main meaning. The main verb gives the meaning. Example: do they play tennis? Example: does the dog sleep here? Choosing do or does. Use do with I, you, we, and they. These subjects use the base verb after do. Example: do you work today? Example: do they live near the park? Use does with he, she, and it. After does, the main verb stays in the base form. Example: does he cook dinner? Example: does she read books? Example: does it rain here? Questions with do and does. In questions, put do or does before the subject. Then use the base verb. Example: do we have milk? Example: does the boy ride a bike? With question words, put the question word first. Then put do or does before the subject. Example: where do you live? Example: what does she eat? Negative sentences. For negatives, use do not or does not before the base verb. In speaking, use don't and doesn't. Example: I do not drink coffee. Example: he does not drive a car. Example: they don't watch TV. Do not add s to the main verb after does not. The s is already in does. Example. She doesn't play soccer. Example. The cat doesn't sleep outside. Short answers. Use do or does in short answers. Keep the same auxiliary as the question. Example. Do you like apples? Yes, I do. Example. Does he play chess? No, he doesn't. Base verb after do and does. After do and does, use the base verb. Do not use likes, goes, or plays after does. Example. Does she like music? Example. Does he go to school? Good work with the theory. Now examples will help us see the rule.
I want to see do and does in sentences.
Do you want water? Do they have a car? Do we need tickets? Does he like bananas? Does she work at home? Does the train stop here? I don't eat fish. You don't need a coat. We don't watch movies at night. He doesn't drink milk. She doesn't clean the room. The baby doesn't cry now. Where do they play? What does he buy? Do the children sleep early? Does the phone work? Nice examples. Now it is quiz time.
I am ready to choose the correct auxiliary.
Choose an option. Do. Do you like rice? Choose an option. Does. Does she speak English? Choose an option. Do. Do they live here? Choose an option. Does. Does he play the guitar? Choose an option. Don't. I don't drink soda. Choose an option. Doesn't. She doesn't eat meat. Choose an option. Don't. We don't know the answer. Choose an option. Doesn't. The bus doesn't stop there. Choose an option. Do. Where do you study? Choose an option. Does. What does your father cook? Choose an option. Do. Do the birds sing in the morning? Choose an option. Does. Does the store open at 9? Good job. You completed the class.
Thank you, Emma. See you in the next lesson.